Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica Singh and I'm a UPSC Civil Services aspirant and I'll be giving my second attempt in 2027. Today I'm back with another video and it is the updates for day 6 and day 7. Day 7 is today, तो उसकी तो कल आएंगी. But yeah, for day 6 we are going to have the updates and I also have something planned and I'm going to just discuss here and yeah, let's get started. So first up, the updates. I had a plan to go out, as I mentioned that since the last 3 weeks I have not gone out. So yeah, of course it was my plan and it was also jinxed, so it's okay. I mean, I think the most important part is that you have to accept his hukum and basically here I have written there's a poster there and on that it is written hukum is hukum even if it is hard to accept. So when I was like very sad, I was just sitting right there and then I just looked at it and then I was like, chuck it, it was a hukum. And I was so sad that I had like a meltdown yesterday that bro, what is this life, I don't like it, ये हो नहीं, ये क्या है भाई. मैं इतनी frustrated थी खुद से, but I think sometimes crying also help you get your emotions out and you know it just helps make you feel better. So yeah, now the update was this only, but then I did go out yesterday for a brief outing and I just had some good Chinese and my mood got fixed, thankfully. And here I am today. It's Monday and it's the first day of the week, and today I have completed my lectures and today I'll be also planning the whole week upcoming. So this is usually what I do on Sundays, but yesterday I was having a terrible day, so I didn't really do it. And also yesterday I was not able to do the minimum that I promised, so that is also one thing. Now I'll just show you guys where I actually plan everything of the week. So basically this is the planner that I'm using currently, and in this we have like all the weeks. I'll just show it to you guys. Yeah, so it looks something like this and it has all the days of the week. So in this it is very easy to actually plan it. So that's what it is. And now I'm also planning to start something different and something that also helps me in a way and helps you all also in a way. So I'm going to be starting an accountability series, or you can say a consistency challenge. मैंने नाम नहीं सोचा है, नाम थंबनेल या फिर टाइटल में पता लग जाएगा. So I'll be starting that, wherein I will be posting every single day not what I study but how much I study. So the app that I actually use to calculate my whole time and all is Forest app, because I love it. There are two reasons that I love it. First is that it has a Pomodoro thing and I think Pomodoro works out for me beautifully. And the second is that it records everything, that what is your average, how you're doing monthly, and what is the progress and all of that. So this is a challenge that I'm giving to myself out here on this platform to perform. So yeah, this is what I have planned for myself. So basically the rules are very simple, that I have to work from Monday to Saturday 6 hours every single day minimum, and 8 hours मतलब रोज का when you're having a good day, but 6 hours is the minimum. And अगर बहुत ही गंदा बुरा दिन जा रहा है तो it can be 4 hours. So this is what my plan is. I might take some offs and I'll have to justify it here on this platform only. So yeah, I am not excited but I'm more nervous because it's like a public thing and people might be judging me, this, that, blah, blah. But I think this is what I've learned. Let them judge. I have to do my own work and I have to be only concerned with the work that I'm here to do. So yeah, this is what the challenge is all about. So if any of you all are willing to take up this challenge along with me, then we can definitely start a Telegram channel or मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा अकाउंटेबिलिटी सॉर्ट ऑफ का जिसमें वी ऑल कैन एक्चुअली रिपोर्ट. सो आई गेस फॉरेस्ट में भी कुछ ऐसे फीचर्स होते हैं वेर इन you guys can have a group of studying. So I can create that group for all of us, and if there are more than 5 members who actually want to join in here, they can actually we all can make a group on Telegram. So yeah, this is updates उसकी next video में ही आएंगी, but for today I think this is it. And today's 6 or 8 hours I'll be posting tomorrow. I'll be showing it to you guys on this channel, and let's see what 8 hours of study over 1 year will give me as a UPSC aspirant. Because one of my favorite teachers and mentors always says this one thing: बेटा बहुत पढ़ लो, शायद हो जाए. This level of uncertainty in an exam is like, तो मैंने शायद पिछले साल इतना नहीं पढ़ा था, बट इस साल लेट्स जस्ट गेट ऑन टू इट. देखते हैं बहुत पढ़ के क्या होता है इस एग्ज़ाम में. और मुझे आई थिंक मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट ये भी है कि मुझे इतना मतलब मुझे ऐसे नहीं करना कि यार मेरी पढ़ाई वेस्ट हो जाएगी, मेरा ये हो जाएगा, मेरा वो हो जाएगा, ये एग्ज़ाम नहीं निकला तो नहीं निकलेगा, तो और रास्ते खुलेंगे. एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज़ दिस थिंग कि अगर तुम किसी चीज़ को इतना ज़्यादा, इफ़ यू प्रेड फॉर समथिंग सो मच बट स्टिल इट हैज़ नॉट गॉट टू यू, देन मे बी it's not meant for you, bro. There are many things in this world that you can do. तो लिमिट नहीं करेंगे एंड अपना पर्सपेक्टिव ओपन रख के चलेंगे, एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट हैपन्स. आज ऑनेस्टली मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं उठा के वीडियो बनाऊँ, बट यू नो व्हाट, आई डिड नॉट वांट टू ब्रेक द कंसिस्टेंसी आई हैड बिल्ट ओवर द लास्ट 5 days. अब कैमरा खुलती अपने आप कुछ ना कुछ मैं बोल ही पाती हूँ. बाय द वे वो भूत नहीं है, वो बस ये लाइट थोड़ी सी ख़राब है. But yeah, anyways, so that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. If any one of you is interested, you guys can comment down below. And मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है, मतलब I don't think a lot of people would comment as such, but if someone is, एक बंदा भी कर देता है तब भी we will just get on to this challenge. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. जय हिंद.